Kids are asking for snack again. Make these crispy veg roll bites once and they will ask for it every day. Crunchy outside, soft and spicy inside. This is perfect for evening snack. First, prepare the dough. First, take a mixing bowl, 2 big spoons of wheat flour, salt to taste, mixing everything well. Half spoon of ghee. Mix everything well. Now slowly add water and grind it into a soft dough just like chapati dough. Cover it and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Grate 2 boiled potatoes. Now take a mixer jar and add 1 cup raw green peas, 1 cup American sweet corn, grind it roughly, do not make a smooth paste. Add this mixture to the grated potatoes. 1 spoon grated ginger. Now add chopped green chilli, chopped coriander leaves, half spoon of jeera powder, half spoon of coriander powder, half spoon of garam masala, half spoon of chaat masala, half spoon of red chilli powder, salt to taste. Mix everything properly. Prepare the coating paste. Take another bowl. 1 big spoon wheat flour. 1 small cup of sooji rava. 1 spoon chilli flakes. Salt to taste. 1 spoon sesame seeds. Add water little by little and make a smooth flowing paste. It should not be too thick or too thin. Now take the prepared dough, roll it into a thin round chapati. Spread the prepared aloo mixture evenly over it. Now roll it tightly like a long. Cut into small bites sized pieces. Press each piece gently. Dip each piece into the coating paste properly. Heat oil in a kadai on medium flame. When the oil is hot, carefully drop the rolls bites into the oil. Fry on medium flame until they turn golden brown and crispy. Once perfectly crispy, remove them and place on a plate. Look at this crunchy. These crispy veg roll bites are ready to serve. Enjoy them hot with tomato ketchup or green chutney. If you enjoy this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes. Thank you for watching.